Okay, it's like 1:29 right now. I'm up so late because I had to like upload this video, a quick day in the life. The last video I just posted. Not many views, but I gotta keep going. Next day. I got all of this here. We better take down this wall. Look at this. Okay. I'm at the mall. Look at this. If I'm gonna go upstairs, I need something to cover my. Oh yes, this can work. I never know about this. What the? I think so. Wow. I'm gonna be honest, I did not know that was there. I spilled things over my pants. I don't think you guys can see it. Better view of it. That's all the rubble from the walls. Oh gosh. Okay, so it's nighttime right now. I'm not sure what's gonna happen to this thing now, because it looks nice. So point if this was like showcase the wall. I'll be honest, that's the first time I ever seen what's behind it. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow in the next episode. See you.